Hazrat Urwa reports that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in his illness during which he could not recover said, May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu curse the Jews and the Christians who made the Prophet's graves the places for prostration. If that had not been the case, his grave would have been kept exposed. But there was this very fear lest it should be taken as a place for prostration. Hilal says, Urwa bin Zubair has attached a tectonym to me, whereas I am issueless. Hazrat Sufyan Atammar reports that he saw the Prophet's grave like a hump. Hazrat Hisham bin Urwa has reported from his father, when the wall fell on them during the reign of Walid bin Abdul Malik, a foot got exposed. The people got awed and thought that it might be the Prophet's foot. They did not find anyone to identify it till Urwa said to them, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, this is not the Prophet's foot, rather it is Hazrat Umar's foot. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1390.